The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At 10:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a shelter-in-place warning is now in effect for Wisconsin, Michigan, Minnesota, North Dakota, Montana, Idaho, and Washington, due to attacks by hostile clones of Oswald and friends. These clones are armed, aggressive. These clones use deceptive tactics. Immediate action required. All persons should take the following precautions. Move to an interior room away from windows. Lock and secure doors. Turn off exterior lighting and remain quiet. Avoid detection by staying silent. Stay tuned for updates. This is not a drill. Repeat, shelter in place until authorities declare all